In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money with your Snapchat Spotlight. Now, the first way is getting a share of the Spotlight reward fund. And Snapchat has set aside millions of dollars to reward Snapchatters who create top Spotlight snaps. And your earnings will depend on the engagement and the crystals your Spotlight videos get. And you can easily redeem these crystals for real cash and get it through your payment method. The second sure way to make money with your Snapchat Spotlight is participating in Spotlight challenges. And you can get cash prizes for your Spotlight video that wins a challenge. And to win these challenges, you will most likely need to submit videos that feature unique voice and exciting creativity. The next sure way to earn money with your Snapchat Spotlight is through Sound Creator Fund. And to qualify for this fund, you need to be an independent musician distributing music on Snapchat through DistroKid. And your songs should be driving content across the platform to earn a good share of this fund. Another sure way to make money with your Snapchat Spotlight is through Accelerator program fund. And this fund is meant to support underrepresented creators. And for now, you need to be a black creator producing great content to qualify for this fund. And there's also getting virtual gifts from your audience as another sure way to make money with your Snapchat Spotlight. And you can just tell Snapchat users to gift you on stories if they like your Spotlight. And you can have the gifts as crystals, then redeem them for real cash and get it through your payment method. And as a bonus, other ways that may become available in the future to make money with your Snapchat Spotlight include selling your Snapchat filters and the lenses, getting a share of the Snapchat ad revenue, doing affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, partnering with brands on Snapchat Creator Marketplace, and then doing fund funding. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Snapchat and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.